Knock, knock. Hello? Who's there? Who's there?
I know, but I'm not.
It's an old desert cemetery. They put cement slabs over the bodies. Wow, look at that headstone. It says 1883. Last camp of High Holly, born somewhere in Syria, about 1828, died at Quartzsite, December 16th, 1902. Came to this country February 10th, 1856. He was a camel driver, packer, scout, over 30 years, a faithful aide to the U.S. government, Arizona Highway Department. 1935 is when they put this up, I guess. So if you were wondering why there's so many pictures of camels around Quartzsite, it's because there are wild camels here. The military had brought them in thinking that they'd be a good animal to transport heavy loads across, you know, this desert area, because it was too hard for pack mules. And then eventually they quit with the camels and let them all go. I haven't seen a camel yet, but I've heard of people who have seen camels just like walk through their campsite. That would be very cool. So I'm exiting my land yacht. There's the Mai Tai, and behind it, probably can't see, but it says Captain's Quarters. When you're feeling landlocked, you just gotta find your local yacht club. Rubber Tramp Rendezvous starts tomorrow, and it is certainly filled up around here. I love the old retro stuff. La 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 I think this is kind of weird for trying to be a nomad, is I feel like I've become a homebody. I really don't want to leave camp most days. And then I can't really wait to get back to camp. Isn't that weird?
General admission is just 8.
What campers? See, like there's Peter back there in the bus. You can't even see his bus hardly now. There's so many campers in front of it. This is my driveway.
Thank you.
Oh, they saved my spot again. These guys, aren't they the best? Like the The biggest empty spot of land that's perfectly level right up ahead is my home, and they keep saving it for me with all these people coming in. I fixed my caving in ceiling with Gorilla Duct tape. If you don't look at it real close, it's not that bad. Okay, I was showing Raymond my system, and he's like, well, do you have water in it? And I'm like, no, I don't have water in it because I'd have to be plugged into shore power to run the water pump. He goes, no, you wouldn't. You just need to, you can run it off your batteries. I'm like, I can? And so he says, yeah. So he's grabbing his solar right now to charge up my battery a little bit. And dang, I could be super civilized with running water. Whoop. This is Raymond setting up solar. Say hi, Raymond.
Hi.
Alright, so this is where my house battery is. And this is hooked up to the other battery that's under my couch right now, so I can plug in my laptop. And then over here is where it hooks up to the truck battery to charge while I'm driving. And now, can you reach in there?
I don't know. Yeah, I got it.
So now we're hooking up solar, and we're gonna see if it looks like it charges.
First, we should look at.
You think that's, oh boy.
Yeah, you see it's dead almost.
It says that my
3.7.
batteries are almost dead?
Yeah, but it's charging now at 3.7 amp, but the sun is very weak now. And it's got 12.3 volt. But you see the yellow here?
Yeah.
It shows that the battery, it's about half charge.
Okay.
I'll go check inside there.
Like this. Paint water. Oh, it went up 3/4 like it was halfway before.
Ah,
Like,
I'm gonna buy some solar
yeah.
and
You
have
have
running
enough,
water.
You have enough solar to charge that, or do you want to use my generator?
No, it's all right.
We're just testing right now.
Okay.
Thanks, Tom. Oh yeah, you gotta do the limbo. That's the fish limbo.
You got fished.
That's awesome, because I had plugged my phone in last night and to the battery, and it only charged for about 10 minutes because the battery is so empty, like so
Yeah,
low. The house battery.
The battery, it will charge, but only you'll use it for the battery in the front, and then you will charge the rest. But if you don't run enough,
Yeah.
then the battery will go down.
How long do you think I would have to have solar plugged in to charge
Well,
the battery, like all the way?
me, like I didn't put it on charge today,
Yeah.
but every day I put it in charge. But I use it for my computer and my phone.
Yeah.
But now with this, I think every day you put it on for a little while, and if you're driving, well, it's more.
Yeah.
You need power, or you
Right.
don't have power.
Yeah, I need just a little bit. If I'm not going to be driving a lot every day, I need some other way to charge it. And you said this system here would be about $265? $265?
285, he said.
$285?
But you can, if you go to that, what's that name of
Oh
that?
yeah, maybe.
That place that
Solar Owls?
where you like up there in
Solar Bill?
Laughlin, over at that place that you can buy discounts stuff.
Oh.
You know that I can't think of the name of
No, in Laughlin?
it. No, I can't think of the name of it. It's mine. I had it on
She's
here.
charging 3.3.
But you can get 100 watt at that place with with that part of it.
Uh-huh.
About $120.
120 for 100 watts? How many watts is this
45.
system? This is 45? And I could get 100 watts, you think?
Because I just
Oh
looked at
yeah,
it.
if you want 100 watt,
Yeah.
maybe the best guy is.
Yeah, check with him down there. He's so
Now, you trust Peter?
he knows his stuff. I don't know.
I know he's got a lot of stuff to sell.
Yeah, but just asking
But-
about what you get. He's not trying to buy something. I think you're pretty honest.
Yeah.
Let me go see if I can find the name of that.
Yeah, cool. Raymond, thank you so much. Raymond from Montreal. Successful test. It's baby steps. You know, you can't learn everything all at once.
No,
I've been wanting to get solar, and this looks like an easy
I
option.
didn't even learn that till I come here.
Yeah. Thank you.